Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by minimizing variables. Plug the Legion Go into AC and choose high performance so charging behavior is consistent. Once done, open Command Prompt as administrator and run PowerCug/battery report to generate the HTML report. This captures design capacity, full charge, and cycle data. Make sure Lenovo Vantage is installed too, because it gives vendor-specific diagnostics. After generating the report, note the file path shown in Command Prompt so you can open the HTML in your browser for detailed analysis. Now open the generated battery report. HTML and locate the installed battery section. Compare design capacity to full charge capacity to see how much the battery has degraded. You should calculate wear percent by subtracting the ratio of full charge to design capacity from 1, then multiply by 100. This quantifies health. Next, check the battery capacity history and cycle count to spot fast degradation or abnormal drops. If you need precision, cross-check those values with Lenovo Vantage or HW Info for temperature and charging behavior over time. To finish, act on what the numbers tell you. If degradation is mild, perform a calibration cycle. Fully charge, fully discharge under normal load, then fully charge again, to let the controller relearn capacity. If degradation is high or cycles exceed Lenovo's guidance, update firmware and power drivers, and schedule a battery replacement through Lenovo support. If the report is missing or shows zeroed values, make sure Windows Update and chipset/ECB drivers are current, run SFC, then regenerate the report as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.